What's going on, guys? It's been a while since a video. I figured this next little project I'd film. So my buddy gave me this 30-gallon compressor tank, and I need air in the garage bad. I've been using this and it sucks. But I'm going to take this tank. I'm going to take some parts off of this. The motor, it's a 2-horse. In there. This thing don't work. Well, it works. The motor works. There's other parts. I just don't want to fuck with it no more. I already got one. And that was my work compressor. And I'm going to marry it with this right here. This nailer. I have no use for it. And that's beefy enough. I'm going to take the motor off of that. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I put it on the 3-wheeler there. But the parts off of this, I'm going to take the shroud off of this. I don't know how the pulleys are going to work yet, but I got enough parts to make something, and that's what I'm going to do. So, actually, I'm going to do is to paint the bike. I need to paint my tank, my fender, and I just have nothing to push. Instead of going to my buddy's booth, I'm going to have it here. Plus, I could pipe some lines outside. I'm always pulling the compressor around. It sucks. All right, I'm going to mock it up, and then I'll let this thing charge up, the battery on the camera, and we'll get back to it. All right. Well, this is it, mocked up. I ran out of time. I don't have the pulley that I need for the motor yet, anyway. I ran out of time tonight. I had to go do something, so I just got it sitting up there. This is what we got. And then tomorrow we'll do a test run on it. I think it's going to be cool. Alright, later guys.